Henan Wecare Industry Company Limited is an intelligent trailer solution provider since 2014, integrating with R&D and sales department. Our main products have mobile food trailers, tourist trailers, and camper vans. We have advanced production technology and scientific management methods, and variety clients from the world. Our agents have covered the main countries. There are 3 main bodies of our holding factory: director office, workshop, showroom. The workshop is the soul. You can see the procedure of building here from raw material to final products. Each step is monitored by our quality control system. QC has ensured the sustainable development of the company. We will test all aspects to make sure we offer the sound products to all clients. Our engineer team is young and energetic. They promise the innovation of us, and they can help to solve all kinds of problems as well. We need and like them. Our sales team is professional and online 24/7. We welcome your inquiry anytime. Our service starts the minute you sent the inquiry and never ends. We will be at your service whenever you require. Quality and service are our goal. We have been adhering to the principle of customer first for many years. We regard quality and service as the top priority. We will provide our customers with best solution.
We are the one-stop intelligent trailer manufacturer. You imagine we build. Welcome to visit our factory.